In this video, we will be showing you how to set up n8n on your desktop. First of all, open Google and search for Docker and click on the Download Docker for Desktop link. Now choose the configuration according to your PC and download Docker. Once Docker has been downloaded and installed properly, open its app. You can register your account on Docker via Gmail or various other options. Once you have registered your account on Docker, click on the Images tab and click the Run button next to the images. In the search bar, type n8n. Select the first option and press Pull to install n8n on your system. Once it has been installed, click on the Run button and set up your n8n container. Name it anything that you want to, add the port number as 5678, and choose the host path as where you want your n8n files to be added. Once everything is done, go in your Containers tab. Click on the ports in the n8n container and a new window will open up in your browser. Set up n8n using your personal details and that is it. Now you have successfully installed n8n on your system. If you want to see how to create a workflow in n8n, then watch this video. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.